One day, as we were working in the garden, we found something really interesting. It was a box of treasure. And inside there was a compass, a binoculars, and a real treasure map. We looked at the map and we realized we will need to go to forest to seek for the hidden points. So we slowly followed the points shown in our map, and on our way we found many different treasures. And look, what's that? It's a snail family. Do you know how many plants and animals and bugs actually live in the forest? And then we got really close to one of the points that was shown in the map. Wow, look what's that? It's a big fallen tree. And what's that? It's a big bug. It's a real treasure.